So my people, me did think say this a warrior did done. But you know done my people. So Dee and Mackerel you know and Khandy you know get added to the war because last night Khandy and Mackerel sit down a chat Dee. You see me I say so Dee come respond to them you know and this up the two of them wicked. You see me and boy my people we not have to hear that one here. So here what me I go do. Me I go make una hear Dee part and then me make una hear Mackerel and Khandy where them did a chat Dee say. So I go kick it off with Dee my people.
Call Khandy or screen record Khandy or whatever them do and tell Khandy say me not have no TV because me have to watch show up on my tablet. And this is what I tell you guys when me tell you say I be a hypocrite me know in a real life. Because how is it that Khandy when me not have Khandy don't have my number, guys, she don't have my number. And Khandy can know when me I watch show up on. And this is why me tell you say your friends them, they are a problem. And you know what is funny? None of these bitches actually know something about me in real life. Here what had Khandy now because me tell her say her man a handicap. I mean I have to beat up myself and come and say, your man a handicap, your man look stupid. I don't have to do that. Khandy me go turn up a righteous until I say your man a handicap. In a real life. Because when your man talk, your man talk slow. Your man talk slow, your man reason slow, your man look slow. And because I tell you something, sit down in your man face. And that's a mad yo. That's why you come out and tell so much lie. But oh, me do threesome. Threesome with who? Threesome when? Threesome how? Me so wish girl post. I never suck up in a band, but I saw. So when you can't tell lie, tell good lie. That I always tell you no. Tell good lie. Cause this a girl on a journey, so can't tell when last me used to when me used to blood clot got high school. Me left high school over 10 years now, and I've never sucked a bitch. Never in a blood clot issue suck a bitch pussy. But me suck Jelani was for my husband, and Jelani does not suck. And even if Jelani suck, it's not Khandy Mackerel nor what none of up on TikTok problem. You understand? My man don't suck a nice clean fat vibe in a me drawer. When my man give me the okay for use. Where say if me feel like me want a little something for me pop, you know want to see me blood clot vibe? When me can pop out and make you see me blood clot. Second man right there so. If me feel like me want a little me draft me down. Cause my man give me the okay for use it. How me put up a 21 and over something again? Woman we have real bad man and real top man can know. Guys, one more thing too. You see? One more. Oh, let me address this. Because no fun today and let me address this. Maya Slay, let me tell you something. Me get the screen recording with you this morning. I mean, not disrespect you or anything, but I'm going to level with you right now. You see, one of the main reasons why I would not have anything bad to say about you, Maya, please remember, say when TikTok did just come out and you did just start rank, please remember the people them where you used to see. I was one of them. And that is one of the main reasons why I would never see Maya hustle, guys, and class Maya and try to put on Maya. Me there when Maya used to come out and Maya used to talk her story time them and Maya used to tell you know what going on in her life and the things that she want to accomplish and me sit down and me see Maya accomplish all of them little things there. So why me that want to chat Maya? Maya and I are pillar because Maya only come and this come address when you talk about her man or when you say something about her what she don't like. Me right or me wrong. Hence the reason why when the girl come to me and the girl he call your name, me say to her, say listen, I don't want to hear it. So no too somebody not chat you, cause when too somebody chat your mama, they sit down and they rub your friend out till next year and there would be a lot of screen recordings and a lot of text and them thing there. None of that never did a baby girl. But all I said to you is be careful who you have around you. Because Mackerel don't like you. That's what I said. And the people them in the comment section, either last night or this morning or whenever Maya did live, over there tell Maya, say me say Maya broke and hype. And I never said that. So anyone of Maya people, them when they can screen record that what me just say, and send her. Because I admire that girl. Me see the blood clot girl they come on this year without a car. And me see the girl pull down blood clot car. Because she have her head on her body. Me see Maya come on here so without a business, and right now Maya supposed to have 2 or 3 business. Me see Maya come on here so living with her parents, and me see Maya pull on her own fucking mate. So what is there for me for bad mind out over Maya? Or what is there for me for chat bad about Maya? Me a one girl, me love girl we rise. Me love girl we come out and show people say, listen, me can't take me liquor when me make it so from Uno and make it make sense and make it make something. The cat is not only come by us to come take and take and take. She come by us to come take and make it make sense. So you see TikTok lockdown, she still have a source of income. What the f can I say bad about this girl? What? When me can't say bad about Maya? Who you tell me? So when you not carry on the news, when you carry on the news, good. And don't tell no lie for me. Do not tell any lies on me. Cause one thing with me guys. Everybody when the girls say me chat, me tell them to say me chat them this money there for true. Me right or me wrong? Me right or me wrong? So, when you don't come tell me say, me a chat people when me never tell them to say me chat. Don't mix me. Do not mix me. Because I one thing with me bubble class straightforward and me talk truth. So, you don't mix me. When you get to me I come from? Mackerel realized that she could not manage me on her own. Because again, somehow I not get it last night. Mackerel give one man me number. The man call me and tell me say he ma go shoot me because Mackerel say me a tell P0Lice on him on TikTok, and if me not stop call Mackerel name, he ma warn me. When you get me I come from? And I said to myself say, but if you are a bad girl in a real life, why you have to make people call people and threaten them for don't call your name on live? That means to say everything when me I talk on the live, it burn you for real. Because I would have never do that. I would have never give somebody a number and tell them for call you and tell them I go show because you call me name on live. Unless the things that I'm saying about you is actual facts. That is actual burning the fuck out of you, baby.
Some people, this look like they reach to a different level, because if Mackerel I got do that, you know what I mean, it reached to a different level. You see it, and we're not sure if a Mackerel, you know what I mean, do that, because anybody can do it. You see it, I make it look like whatever. But let me know what you think in the comment section, my people. You see it, because I don't know how them not like each other, so, and them did that, you know what I mean, them used to their life together and all these things. So let me know what you think, people. We're going to listen to some more and then we'll go over Mackerel.
Me right or me wrong? People with sense to the talk. I know people me and them clear with pandies and me never get blood clot call from man yet. Enough people me and them tear away, guys, and me never get call from man yet. And me just make Mackerel know say Mackerel your badness wishy. Because nobody will bad no do that. Nobody will bad no do that. Cause first things first, if me go make somebody shoot you, me not call you and tell you say me I make somebody shoot you. Nobody will bad no do that. And that is the reason why, guys, yesterday me never come live come say nothing, because me I report the girl. And me telling you yesterday say I don't feel comfortable knowing say you take a mother from her child. But since I said this is what you want, I am going to go forward with it then. Because at the end of the day, everybody has to say that is a threat. That is a very big threat. And when guys, my unblock, never say me and the girl tear with her WhatsApp papa, yeah, you know. Me and the girl tear with her, yeah. And because me the one know if the person, I make somebody just, can't never know people have me number, you know. So I remind me, I say probably choose somebody to say me and Mackerel at it. Then just give somebody my number for call. When I confronted Mackerel, that girl admitted to doing it. And I have the messages where she admitted to making somebody call me and threaten me. And she go say, are you scared now? Ooh, my badness no shaky. That's what she said to me. And that alone make me know that the little girl just, she saw off in her head and she probably just scared of me. That's why she come out and do that. And let me explain something to her again. And me get the call. Say me not fi call her name on live. And guess what? Yesterday whole day Mackerel was live and Mackerel never mentioned my name either. She never mentioned my name none at all. Until she and Khandy start play and she get like a backbone and like a backup and like a strength. She and Khandy over there dance with the devil and I do the most. When you get where I come from? I'm play the screen recording for the ear when Khandy basically said me pitney them so. That's what she said. She said, you suck my go and go kiss your pitney them or you feel do that as a bitch. So basically you are saying my children and your supporters them know in a ear them in a them mind. She now said the pitney them suck. She has said what she said? She just like tell you say you're nasty. Are you guys crazy? Only never hear, let me play it for you guys. Cause that's the reason why I'm start make sure say me antagonize her over there now. So she could have repeat what she said. Let me play it for you now.
And chat to me. You can't chat to me, you're nobody there. You're nobody. In your life, you come over, you come text and say sad. Stop commit adultery. Stop commit adultery. The same man or your fucking sister come tell me everything. Me nah cuss your kids. Oh, your favorite sucker mother is not your baby father and go kiss your daughter them. You don't see her big. You don't see her big.
Can they make a fix that too? Not even when I suck my man I kiss my pitney them. Because I can't mix none at all. And just the way how you phrase that sentence alone tell the world say you are telling us on yourself. Yeah, tell you for yourself. Cause I've never sucked my man and kissed my bumbleclap pitney them. Never. Never in a history. And that alone make we know say, here's a girl, you go gag your face like anything and put your mouth on your child. So when you come out and you talk about yourself, just tell we say you talk about you. Somebody take that girl when I'm strong off of my life. Because you see, the problem with society is you guys are so one-sided up. When them over there, them a drag me down and them a bring me. The whole one over there egg them on. I wanna say yes. When you done the girl, me hate the girl. The reason why you found to hate me is because me and one same age or me younger than you and me accomplish way more than you in a life and you don't understand why. You don't understand why God has blessed me so. That's why you hate me. Let's just be real. Last night, Mackerel up on the live I say, oh me ugly. Here Khandy, no she don't ugly, me not gonna tell no lie. She don't ugly. Here Mackerel, Dee make we see her without the bleach. Which bleach? Baby, what bleach? Where bleach there? Everybody supposed to see little bump them when me up on my face right as the same way. See them there? I'm always telling you say, me stop rub from long time. But me go start back and when me start rub, oh God, I go, me start phone now. And here we born Khandy yesterday to know no guys. Here we born her now. ID official, you can't screen record this because I'm not afraid of no girl. ID official say, if me never was a married woman and me never loved that little man the way God give me that fuck with a man from them. And that me say. And that bun the beach. Here or now, that alone just go for sure say here's a blood clot. Because who says that? Me I make you know straight. Say anyhow me never have my man and me so love me that teach you know. How girl take blood clot girl man in a real life. Because no matter how much woman you give Jelani pan this, up to now, I don't see no picture, no video with Jelani and no girl wall. I don't see it in a no girl wall. They sit down for live and talk about how me get licked. Oh, Jelani.
Some people, me don't know if the love mix up or mix up just fine or. You see what I say? Because me don't have the as them type of people that, you know what I mean, big woman thing. Me have her as a girl where, you know what I mean, is a go-getter where go for what she want and do her thing. But me not like my people. You say anyway money there, you go find vibes, you know what I mean? You go find mix up, you go find all these type of things there. You see me I say? And I don't know Dee and Khandy not like one another a long time. So we are going to hear some more from Dee, my people. Let me know what you think in the comment section.
Jelani beat me, go and Jelani beat me come. But let me show you something guys, because But just want to make it plain and straight, you know?
I'm a good person.
But just want to make it plain and straight. I have a lot of page, you know. Other page, I have a lot of page. Guys, you know, look at all this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Hey, man beat me. Man beat you. And man beat. Candito. Man beat me. Man beat you. And man beat. Candito. The whole of we in the blood clot crew. Hey, me Khandy Mackerel you. Yay. Got Tyrone thumping in your head. When we look up here, bitch red boy. Chad thumping at the bar. Ima your sister nearly war. Hey, girl. You don't wait me now. Do not wait me. Because since as the whole of my song them are trash, I will give you a song that is hot. Don't fuck on yourself with me. Man beat me, man beat uno too. Man beat me, man beat uno blood clot too. Yeah. So since that's a phone problem every day the man beat you, man beat you, chat thumping your mouth down a bar. Mackerel, let me show you again. Mackerel, you are the only girl me see run after man in a car, so me never know that so you look a bit fast.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna.
Guys, you see that carrier? This is the carrier Mackerel tell you say never have no roof. Then look how the man do her. If he carry never have no roof, why had to pull the door? He never did pull the door for come out, come look if sitting do you. He could have just get up and go so. Only talk it truth. If the car never have no roof, the man should have just stand and peek through the roof so and see if you're good. He never have to pull the door and come out, come look. So stop telling people them lie. Because you get the car with roof, door, seat, every blood clot thing. And don't tell the people them say you could register the car. Tell the people them say me had to lend you my registration because you never have no license. Anybody who have sense know say you cannot register a car if you don't have a license. Let me teach you, Mackerel. The first thing that you have to do is take your what name again, Jelani? Take your where car papers them again? Take your registration and your fitness with your license and carry it to the take your registration and your fitness, not learners. Your registration and your fitness and bring it to the insurance place. They have to do your insurance first. After them do your insurance, you're going to go back to the tax blood clot office. When you go back to the tax office, sweetheart, that is when you're going to transfer your car papers. If your car want a little more registration on it, you put on 6 months or 12 months on it. 12 months is for $14,000. 6 months is for $6,500. Because remember, me is a girl when no blood clot tax office. Me is a girl who change car like how me pitney change pampers. So don't come on like say people don't know these things. You can't come tell people how to register a car because you don't know how. No car where you buy never in your name yet. Remember my registration I was running around with for how long? Until me you fall out on WhatsApp about it. I saw me get back my blood clot things. And then I come back out and tell you like a stinking face like a groupie girl. Groupie girl. You come back and run off your face like you're a top blood clot man or you're a top smaddy. Rude. Let me get some juice there. Can you come on? Walk with her, you don't come on. Walk her out, and I want to turn my video. Top girl alone know top girl things, Mackerel. But there's no catchy song. Wanna sing a song if you don't catchy. You come here between me and you remember the song. You better make sure it's not catchy if you don't want me to go through with it for true. No, and I remember Mackerel babes. Last night, Mackerel and Khandy sit down for my name. Mackerel and Khandy sit down and chat me until 3 o'clock last night. 3 o'clock they sit down and chat me. o'clock, you sit down and chat me last night, and then I go say, me a waste girl because me dey pan live a class, the man me a married woman. So I want to phone up. And that a beat, you know. Let us be honest and let us be real. At that time I don't know. Guys, to be honest, you know the reason why me answer to Khandy too, because I see Khandy make screen recording about. The other day me come out condone her and the girl could answer me, the girl afraid of me. Me did have to really stop because I was shook. Me did have to really stop because I did shooken. Because me I say wait. Then Khandy, who can really afraid of you? Khandy, who afraid of you? 3 a.m. they sit up on live, I don't me love. I'm enough to come in the comment section and rub them too. Here I try to bring Ivan in here now. Guys, I'm telling you this. You can screen record this too. You see when it comes on to Ivan, me and Ivan go down Emmanuel Road already. And we squash with beef long time. And I have never said anything ill about Ivani after that. Me and Ivani play 1 and 2 match now and then, and that's it. And every time me and them argue, here Khandy last night. The song where you sing for Ivani, this, that, and the third, because them are trying to make me and everybody go at it. When you get me I come from, that's why them over there tell Nikisha say fear body look better than mine. That's why them over there tell Roger say me a chat bad about him. It's like them a try for me because me one can angle every single thing. Me don't need no help to cuss nobody. When you get me I come from? Now, again as me tell you no. Last night I watched. But no, it live now stuck, so now it's the Wi-Fi. Exactly, nobody don't remember that day. Nobody don't remember that. Them little just try to bring people in it for me and people argue and cuss. And that is the reason I make sure I tell Maya exactly how I feel about her. You know me is that a hypocritical. Shorty, if you never did a mix up person, my life would have come to your babes. That's a number 1. So because you mix up, that's why you end up on my life. That's why you're on my life, babes. If you was a person that is into positive things, like a people watching nails and stuff, as you wake up in the morning and nails content would pop up on your page. You see anything where you browse through in the daytime, you see anything where you love, that's how TikTok works. So you see because you love bag and you love mix up, as you wake up you go find me. Because you saw it there. And one thing with TikTok, if you're not looking for something, you can't find it. If you're not looking for something over TikTok, you can't find it. I saw what what, baby? I saw you what, baby? Go out to give me properly, no boss. I see you, baby, no.
Okay, look for your grandfather.
Alright, some people, let me know what you think in the comment section. We're going to go over to Mackerel and Khandy and hear what them say.
Uncle and bed, the dog they were there, you better take over your blood clot bed so you can't sleep in there. Go girl.
This you know, you see through my always a fun up and a joke up and feel like send me a fun and joke. I'm not in a fun and joke right now. Me not in a fun and joke right now. All the things you can say about Chad.
Somebody ask where is our man?
That's all. One name you can call for my old Jalisha. Chad this and Chad. That's anything about Chad. Want to know about me and Chad when me done come for the media come talk.
She look a bit enough. If me and Khandy over here, we attack, so we can't talk anything we attack. Nobody never did that this star. We're just talking about the situation. You go under the girl comment section. We live in a you're living in our head rent free. I live in our head rent free. You're somebody. You're the greatest of them blood clot all. Yes, I Google. I will say Google we talk about Google. You don't know about our man there. Them they wish for them did for them. Them they were them supposed to there. And we don't need to come brag and boast about them. Cause we happy and quite contented. Move your blood clot, miserable blood clot. Cause you have money, you have money, you're not making progress. You have money, you not make progress. You have money, you not establish. You have money, you just did it so. You have money, you have fear blood clot. Do every God almighty blood clot thing. You boy, I don't know if you only can come tell me, say, you know, is this and that and tempo my past life. Lift up from out here, say, girl. Move your blood 10 o'clock in the night. Yeah, click life for Khandy and Mackerel. Khandy and Mackerel. Then me could have walk click life for blood clot, Khandy and Mackerel. You know the sense. You over there trace for foolishness. Mom!
Meet me by the river, not far away. Oh.
You know, see me establish an alright, girl. More ask you a question. You know, see me establish an quiet blood clot fine. Me I ask you know, see me establish an quiet blood clot. Needs to remove that blood clot.
Go and go worry about your marriage life. He claim to say he is a married woman. He is a fuck. No married woman now do them fuck the way you do. Big fuck your mother.
Oh, bitch.
No married woman. No married woman now do them fuck the way you are do. You make me be a mad mother. Make me be a bad mother. But I one thing me know. Me not fuck out of my blood clot baby father. From my young daughter. Me not can suck. Just two blood clot. If youngest baby is a one blood clot ear hole. One blood clot ear hole. And you have for a girl with another man do some bitch. And you come talk about me is not a bad mother. Me is a bad mother. You come talk about me is a blood clot.
We get to the coffee and the tea, man.
With a body lip. With another man on it. Is another man cut up your lip and you kiss up your daughter them big old girl. Is another man blood clot cut up your blood clot lip selfie. Nasty blood clot there. Is another man juice sit down by your tablet bitch and you kiss up your daughter them. Eh? You want to go in it? If you want to go in it, you can't go in it. I'm really going in it. Right now, that way you take by your tablet when you kiss up in the bother eating a Jelani throat because you suck Jelani tongue too. You suck Jelani upon Jelani because in a Jelani throat. Bitch, you can talk to me. Bitch, you can talk to me. You can blood clot talk to me? Eh? Go worry about blood clot Michael think blood clot Jelani with. Eh? Go worry about the girl where you near my road be some with. Girl. Eh, girl, I want for things to come past this, I'm not talk. But I'm ready for bust it up. Things since you want bust up. Since you want to bust out, make we bust out and done out. Make we bust out and done out.
Yuck! You
make we bust up and done out. Go and tell them I'm going to call Jilan because Jilan no know.
Give me that comment section.
Blood clan no.
Give me that comment section.
Jilan no know. I don't know where you do it for money.
You text me.
Or what?
Power.
Free.
That's how where you text me.
You can't have 3 girls picking on the door. Baby, you go suck your mother. Yeah, who bitch is a female? Yes, not even. We're not even gonna bring mother in this. We're not gonna bring mother in this.
Never look.
Okay, yes, a female. Yes, nobody, bitch. Yes, nothing body. You think you're doing your body make you a woman? You make a sad blood.
No, I know me and her. We can't, leave her.
Pit. You look on low life of a dog slime bucket mother.
Bumbo clock.
I am blood clot telling you. Doing your body cannot replace the bigness of your hole. Unless Dopa Diado. Big pussy. I could get down in that camera. Decide say, I never ever really get down in nothing, you know. I'm decide say, I'm not even gonna get serious. I'm decide say, I'm just gonna make sure I'm not gonna go and fight it out. But you do too much. You see, I think I will say a lie and you click a lie, but you're gonna come talk about me. Come. I'm not even gonna say I use that because I really and truly boss up say you're not pregnant with you, but I do blood clot like girl. Go ahead. You come tell the people them about your blood clot pregnant when you're pregnant. You gotta suck your mother. Go suck your blood clot mother big pull. She had your body, yeah, your body look good. Nobody not say your body not look good. Cause one thing with me no bad mind a blood clot. Your body look good, yes. Nobody not gonna say that, but one to your hole. One to the bumbo clot, blood clot, most of them up in your feet.
Them drop out.
One to the damn your hang down no blood clot. One to this phone a bend down a piece to pick up dirt no bumbo clot.
Gravel.
Is
Dee try to left me name out here, I tell her, beating steak. Gilani beat it, Gilani floor clot. Leave my name out of your mouth. Because if you compare me and you can't size up. Bleaching cream blood clot solve your problem. It's like the whole heap of scar, them and the whole heap of wingworm, them have the man beating you. The bleaching cream help your blood clot problem and solve your problem. And do body do for you. None of me not touch by bleaching cream, I'm not touch by do body. So don't come tell me about how we must come out in a sun. Lady, no matter bring them out to me because we address you tonight. May we bring you down and address you tonight. I'm knowing I'm address you tonight, you know. Remember, I girl, know I'm address blood clot you. Say, before your blood clot, address me, go and go sleep in your house on the one rock. That's real. The blood clot fall and slide it off of the rock, man, and tumble out with it there. Yeah, me I want to try go on. Alright.
I'm supposed to be a girl. Right now, if me get a blood clot ring pan it, but stop all of them for you when me I do.
Thank you. Exactly.
You're not change a bit no blood clot. Girl,
thank you. Amen.
You're a shit pit. Girl, you're the lowest comeback me ever see as a blood clot wife.
Yes.
You're the lowest comeback me ever see as a wife, girl. I'm full of ambition. That doesn't make you a blood clot woman. Once a girl has money, she can build up a house.
Oscar scared for the tour?
That doesn't make you a wife. How can you have a 1-year-old baby and do a blood clot to your husband? And your husband in a relationship, bitch. Now suck your mother, hey girl, my skin on wall. Hey girl, my skin on wall, girl. Hey girl, come near out and love us to put over there on the period.
John, one people, Khandy I go hard, man, I lie. And some of them something away Khandy attack. Me I wonder if a real thing or Khandy just make up something and attack. Big woman thing, cause what Khandy I say, John was star, and how should I know them things about Dee? That more I know. You see me? I hear you want mackerel to know. Boy, me I telling them people, John, me not lie, Dee I get it. Big woman thing. So let me know what you thinking at the comment, me people. I go watch some more.
Guys, you don't have to share the live and wake up TikTok. No, you add coffee over here, who bunks it out? Add coffee over here, share the live and share the live and call the mixer pages them. Add coffee over here, people. Who share the live and call the mixer pages them. The tea is filling. Where you shake your head for girl if you can't manage and leave, man. One tea, girl, one tea. Leave and don't shake your head over here. So we're bad over here, Poochie, girl, and so, yeah. Add coffee,
I don't know wicked no blood clot because I come tell me so the girl do her body I should have pregnant. And tell me say I lie me until I see them now. Me not tell blood clot like on people me a cuss girl. I want to tell like say after the girl old big because I don't know how understand. But true me a cuss me go say the girl old big. That alone me tell lie about. But girl you can't talk to me. You can't talk to me. The first time I do a blood clot girl and me and my friend see the man will tell me say the same man will breed me. I never do a train the time there. Then the time I never offered if you breed yet. Then the time I'm not offer if you blood clot ring, just you can't chat to me. Me am more wife than you, I'm have a blood clot ring. You go suck your mother. How you man? How you man? Go and go tell Jelani if you brush him teeth, cause be used upon blood clot Jelani tongue and Jelani throat, yeah? Cause you not stop suck. You not stop suck outside. You go suck your mother. Who your girl? Who blood clot? You can't chat to Khandy. You can't chat to Khandy. And one thing Khandy transparent, no blood clot. I one thing with Khandy, my transparent and no girl don't know nothing about me when I hard to talk on this fuck. No girl don't have no secret for me, girl. I have secret for you. I have secret for you, Dee. Me, you see, you have secret for you, big girl. You more than me? To my brawling, I talk anything what me do, I talk that. So none of you can bluff you. Hear my name? One brawling nation. You have secret for me, girl. You have secret for me? You don't have no secret for me. None of you this a secret for me. Because I chat on my own blood clot business. But I have secret for you. Because you have one like I miss goody two shoe. Everybody knows that you don't miss goody blood clot two shoe. Because I say it as a blood clot is. Yeah, but I know tight no blood clot. And I know my man breathing into my virginity. Me am more wife than you is a blood clot right for that ring big girl. You can't chat to me. You can't chat to me. No found a girl pan this. No found a blood clot. You don't need a ring. You need a ring to feel like a woman. Me don't need a blood clot ring to feel like a woman. Me need a ring. You come over, you come talk about. Oh, I'm glad I'm married. Glad I'm married to what? Glad I'm married. Oh, glad you're married in what type of situation? Married woman. Married woman now have time for this galisha. I'm single, me don't know where blood clot rice there. Maybe she's single too. If you have blood clot and feet. If you have time for this, okay, I'm married, your body will do up here, man. If you say, and your man do your body for.
But now I'm married and live with my man and start no life with no girl.
Now work. Go and go check back the DR doctor because your body now work. Cause all you feel your body fear, man. Lay down in your blood clot. Right now your man to massage your body, bitch. Your man to massage your belly and I do lie the bumbo clot. Roll upon your big. Right now you feel your fire with the blood clot, with the bumbo clot. All and die to your man can go suck your mother. Right now, all if you can't go suck your man, girl. Open up your mouth and go swallow your man come in make him feel good and you want to go near man burp and go sleep and go suck your mother. And this your time for? Yeah, If you look how we as the lowest, you see him like we. Because you have the same shit what we do. Yeah, you go like a better than which you have a ring, bitch.
Come here, cause the girl, mama.
Yeah, like a better than which you have a blood clearing. Go suck your mother, Yahoo girl. Yahoo. Yeah, what? Yes, nothing. You are nothing. You are from stop going like someone with blood clearing where you make you feel like say you got it. And you go to your body what you turn for everybody. Me see you funny me there now big girl come turn for everybody to your body what you end up big. Like say you feel like the body. Girl, your body can't crash. Your body can't crash, you still can't after the blood clot surgery. Me now wish no dead for nobody girl, but humble your blood clot self. Humble yourself, the body not done heal up yet. But you don't heal up your blood clot self and go heal your throat to the band when Michael out. That's how you need to do. Apart from me and blood clot Mackerel and come kiss on me wall. Yes, you must feel like say. You must feel like say blood clot Mackerel. Hey girl. Must stop your mother girl. Pick pan your bitch. I feel like say Mackerel worse than me. Worse than blood clot Mackerel girl. Me done your blood clot, you go suck your mother. Girl.
Can the anger that?
Girl, yeah, who?
Can the anger that?
Blood clot who girl? You feel like say me and Mackerel like same thing. Me done you. Me done your career before it start big hole. Cause you come talk about you never want me bust up say you're not breed. You never want me bust up say you're not breed and your body you go do because you want me money over YouTube, bitch. You wouldn't make no money same way. You wouldn't make no blood clot money same way, girl. Cause nobody don't like you. Can't come by the two finger with people them a blood clot like you, girl. Two blood clot finger them. 1, 2 for the people them a blood clot like you. Go suck your mother. Actually people them I said nobody don't like you. I can't even the people them I say go suck your mother.
Shanice, let them Shanice, stop mute them now. When you have to mute and block everybody after life. Stop the people are not girl.
Yes, nobody girl. Cause the people them know say you have to treat some for your 1-year-old baby for your man. Hey girl, go call Jelani them and make Jelani bust up your blood clot face tonight.
Oh man, let the lady go get lick out.
Bust your breast them big girl. Make blood clot.
Go turn the lady over there.
Go call Jelani there.
Alright, so my people, alright, that's how I end it. Me no want to think in the comment section. I not like Khandy go hard. Me have to make sure so me cut out enough for the bad with them people. Big up one thing, Khandy go hard. So me no want to think people, alright, that's how I end it.